Hey everyone, welcome back to the Daily Past. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications so you never miss out on the big stories shaping our world. Now let's talk about one of the most unexpected twists in global energy politics. And how India, yes India, has just pulled off a major win by buying cheap Russian oil while the West turned its back on Moscow. Picture this, global tensions are at a boiling point, oil prices are through the roof, and countries are scrambling to secure energy. While the West hits Russia with sanctions, India makes a bold move. They've strategically locked in a huge amount of Russian oil at bargain prices, while most of the world hesitated. Let's dive into how India pulled this off, what it means for their economy, and the future of global oil markets. In today's video, we're going to break down how India dodged the global chaos and secured billions in savings through discounted Russian oil. It's not just about energy, it's about power, and India is flexing its muscle in the global energy game. Let's take a closer look. Before we get into the details of how this deal unfolded, let's set the stage. Oil isn't just fuel, it's a tool for global influence. The Russia-Ukraine war and the resulting sanctions upended global trade. While the West imposed restrictions on Russian oil, India saw an opportunity to fuel its economy while saving billions. So what did they do? They struck a deal with Russia. India is home to over 1.4 billion people, and its economy is booming. With millions joining the middle class each year, the demand for energy is soaring. Oil is critical for everything, from transportation to powering factories, and as India's economy grows, so does its thirst for oil. But here's the thing, India can't produce enough oil on its own, so it relies heavily on imports. Historically, India has turned to the Middle East, especially Saudi Arabia, for its oil. But as global events unfold, this reliance comes with risks. The rise in geopolitical tension, fluctuating prices, and conflicts in oil-rich regions have shown just how vulnerable India's energy security can be. India imports nearly 85% of its oil, and that dependency leaves the country exposed to market volatility and geopolitical risks. The question is, how do you secure your energy future when so much of it is in someone else's hands? That's where Russia enters the picture. In 2022, when Russia invaded Ukraine, the world's response was swift sanctions. The West froze Russian assets, cut off banks, and banned Russian oil. The goal? To isolate Russia and pressure them to end the conflict. But there's one major detail that changed everything for India. Russia is one of the world's largest oil exporters. With sanctions hitting Russia hard, oil that was once sold to Europe was now up for grabs. While the West turned away, India, hungry for cheaper oil, saw an opening. The EU and the US were leading the charge with sanctions on Russian oil. At first, the price of oil was rising due to the instability. But as Russian oil became untouchable for many Western nations, Russia began looking elsewhere for buyers enter India. With Western sanctions isolating Russia, India recognized an opportunity to buy Russian oil at a discount, effectively sidestepping the geopolitical fallout. India's approach was simple but effective: keep buying oil. But this wasn't just a matter of filling up tanks, it was a tactical move. By refusing to join Western sanctions, India secured an energy lifeline while Europe scrambled to find alternatives. The West was more concerned with political optics, but India was focused on practicalities, securing cheap oil. Here's the game changer. Russia started offering discounts, as much as 40% off market rates. While countries like the US and EU were adamant about cutting ties with Russian energy, India saw an opportunity to keep its economy running while saving billions. This wasn't just a short-term solution, it was a long-term strategic move. By mid-2023, Russia's oil was being sold at a massive discount compared to Brent crude. To put this in perspective, while Brent crude was hovering around $100 per barrel, Russian oil was available for around $60 to $65 per barrel. That's a $30 to $40 difference. When you're talking about importing millions of barrels a day, those savings add up fast. India, which imports around 5 million barrels a day, was saving billions each month. And it's not just a one-time deal. From 2021 to 2023, India's imports of Russian oil skyrocketed. In 2021, India imported about 2 million barrels per day from Russia. By mid-2023, that number had more than tripled to over 6 million barrels per day. This wasn't a mere adjustment, it was a massive shift in energy sourcing. At these prices, India wasn't just keeping the lights on, it was securing its energy future at a fraction of the cost. Now let's talk numbers. The savings India was able to lock in by buying Russian oil were immense. To put it in context, India's oil imports in 2023 were valued at about $120 billion. Thanks to the discount on Russian oil, India saved approximately $30 billion in just 1 year. This is a huge financial win, especially considering the scale of India's energy needs. By securing oil at these discounted rates, India was able to mitigate the impact of soaring energy prices on its economy. While the rest of the world saw prices rise due to supply chain disruptions and geopolitical tensions, India had already locked in cheaper oil, easing inflationary pressure. And don't forget the scale. India's total oil imports were around 4.6 million barrels per day by the second half of 2023. That's roughly $300 million per day in savings. Beyond the short-term savings, India's deal with Russia also created long-term financial benefits. By securing stable discounted energy supplies, India was able to avoid price shocks that could have hurt its industrial base. Lower oil prices meant cheaper transportation costs, which impacted everything from food prices to manufacturing. These savings helped India maintain its economic growth trajectory without facing the same economic pain seen in many Western nations. On the global stage, India's decision to continue buying Russian oil while the West imposed sanctions sent a bold message. India is positioning itself as a key player in the global energy market, unafraid to make pragmatic decisions that serve its national interest. While the US and EU condemned India's actions, they couldn't deny the financial and strategic benefits of India's approach. India has carefully navigated the geopolitical landscape, strengthening its relationship with Russia, while maintaining a strong diplomatic presence with the West. It's clear that India is thinking long-term, focusing on energy security and economic stability over political alliances. The global reaction to India's oil deal was mixed. While the US and EU were vocal in their disapproval, countries in the global south, especially in Africa and Asia, saw India's strategy as a model for energy independence. The move to secure discounted Russian oil, while the West isolated Moscow, could reshape future global energy alliances. So what does this all mean for the future? India's ability to secure discounted oil could have a ripple effect on global energy markets. As Russia looks to diversify its buyers, we might see a shift in where oil is traded, especially with China and India now taking a larger share of Russian exports. Countries that have traditionally relied on the US and the Middle East for oil are now looking toward new suppliers, and Russia could play a bigger role in this shift. This isn't just about oil, it's about a global reordering of energy trade. India's ability to secure cheap Russian oil while avoiding the political fallout shows how countries are starting to rethink traditional alliances based on energy needs. As energy security becomes more critical, countries like India, China, and others in the global south could continue to assert their influence over the global energy market. To wrap it up, India's bold move to continue importing discounted Russian oil was a game changer. Not only did India save billions, but it also strengthened its position in the global energy market. While the West focused on political consequences, India was focused on securing its future. By securing energy at lower prices, India is not just surviving, it's thriving. What do you think about India's decision? Was it the right move, or should they have sided with the West? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more insights. As always, thanks for watching The Daily Past, and until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep watching The Daily Past.